Hello, this is your local vintage cafe. Some of your customers have been asking about the dusting. Dusting here, dusting there. They've been asking so many questions like, who on earth does your dusting? Who does it? How long does it take? All those kind of questions. Well, it's quite simple. I can tell you this, it takes me 5 minutes. Not even 5 minutes, it takes me 5 minutes to do all the dusting in the whole place. I use one of these babies, the X5 432 6 Series 4, ultra powerful, 2,400 watts of pure power. This is my Duster Buster, I call it Duster Buster. Duster Buster, do it now. Let's turn this baby on.